Welcome. Come on in, let me show you around. This is the house we bought for 1.1, no money down. Then we borrowed another 200 to finish it because the previous owner tried to rehab it and messed it all up, which happens all the time. This is why you gotta learn how to find and buy distressed properties. Anyway, this is one of the two kitchens. 1.3 million, no money down. On the market now for 2.2. So we created virtually 900,000 in equity in less than 90 days. Let me show you the rest of the house. If you like sports or like watching television, this is the room. So my wife bought this stuff from out Italy. She loves these recliners. This is how you create equity. You find distressed properties no matter what price range. They don't have to be dumps or crummy pieces of property to create equity. Why do a $100,000 or $200,000 house when you can do $1 million and create more velocity, create more appreciation with the same amount of work, time, and money? But use someone else's money. That's the key. I did it, you can do it too. Take the class and we'll show you step by step how to create wealth with someone else's money and no risk.